Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage digital downloads on Shopify. Let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and first of all, what we need to do is download an app right here in Shopify. So we're gonna go for search here, digital downloads. And after that, you would wait for it to load, and you wanna click here, search for digital downloads in Shopify App Store. And after that, you will be prompted right here. And you would want to click here on digital downloads, this one right here, click on it. And from here, you want to click on add app. And you want to wait for it. And from here, let's just wait for it to finish loading on the site. And from here, you would be redirected right here and click on install app right here so that you would be able to install it. And now once you have installed it, you will be redirected right here. So you would see all your products right here. And actually, we're gonna first go here into products right here at the left side. And from here, we're gonna add a product. And let's say we're gonna add our digital product. And once you click on the add product button, you would be prompted right here. So our title would be digital product sample, because this is just for the tutorial. And yeah, sample. And you would want to provide a very creative description right here to encourage your customers to buy. And you can add a media right here, you can add files. Let's say we're gonna go for this one right here. Let's say this is just the front page of what we're going to sell. Like for example, if you're selling an ebook, you want to paste or put a picture right here on what you're selling. So you want to put the price right here. So in my case, I'll just go for this one. And for the inventory, you don't need to go to mess with this one because you don't need it. And yeah, continue selling when out of stock. And this product requires shipping. You want to uncheck this one because this is just a digital product. And you can also add variants right here if that is applicable to your digital product. And of course, you want to make sure that your status right here is active. And after you're all set with this right here, after you're happy with all that, you can click on save. And now our product has been saved right here, digital product sample. And what we're gonna do next is click here on more actions, and you can add a digital file right here. So this is when where you add the digital file or upload the file that you are selling. So from here, you can click on add files, and you can actually upload it right here. So let's say I am going for this one right here. So click on this. So as you can see, it is now uploading right here. And you want to click on save, and just like that, you are now able to sell digital products on your Shopify, and that is how easy it is. And all that's left is to view your products. So you can view it here in the online store. Click here at the left side. And from here, you want to view your store right here. So you can see the products actually here on your store. So actually featured products. And as you can see, here it is, the digital products that we have right here. And all that's left is for the customer to buy it. And that's basically it for this video.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.